Police people dem wey dey work for inside water for that side, so for Limbe they don catch plenty country people dem for that side wey dey comot for Burkina Faso and Benin, wey dey be wan use na backdoor for take enter for inside country here. They be the go now for that side. So for Nigeria, we own eye, sacred eye, e catch other people dem wey dey, so police people dem for water they take catch am. This afternoon we go talk that chapter. So for inside chapter for this afternoon, we go talk chapter for accidents wey take happen for roads for Douala and Loum. This one na motor wey carry banana wey e make versus with motor wey e be carry oil wey e be the council for this side for Douala side. We go also talk palava for big people there wey they get money for that side. So for Kwata wey they call am say Subum, for Dakar side e be dey na other kind, as wey some storeman they can chakara a store. Now for sika waiting, they say some woman e say na e land wey e dey for on top. All this story then, so we go try from Adam plus even one day wey we come be them for newspaper. They take talk for tell una this afternoon. Big part talk for this afternoon. It dey try for tell we say waiting, say even if waiting in one bad, if bush e hard na heart, if business e no dey waka fine for inside bush, lion e no fit ever chop grass. Say if business e no dey waka fine for inside bush, lion e no fit ever chop grass. We wan say big thank you for you. Arrange deep for that side, so for Limbe I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people dem. Plenty glad for meet up una for number 2 for inside number 4 day for inside the week. Tori for this afternoon we go begin and now with the chapter for accidents. We take on a go for National Road number 5. Now for the way accident it take happen, na motor that way carry oil. Lucky say no man e no take die, oil except e no throw him. But na motor that way carry oil wey e dey, so according to tori wey enter for we ear, this motor wey carry oil e be the go now for that side, so for Loum. Then as well the motor dey go for that side for Loum, e be one dodge some small hole. Sabi say this we road them for go Loum side, plenty hole they dey them. E wan dodge hole one time e make nervous with some motor wey dey, so e carry banana. Now one person that will be inside the motor wey e dey, so they comot it for outside. No person e no die, but just for sabi say na for sika say e be one dodge some inside hole for comot for home. Na way e meet up face e make serious versus with this motor wey carry banana wey comot for Loum. E be the calm now for this side, so for Douala. So the motor set a tumble side for inside that hill. Then this other motor too for banana too, small craze e make am e stand up now only for corner. Motor wey carry oil, they say around 30,000 litre for oil. E be for inside that motor wey they see, and so all the people that they dey inside, we hear say no man e no take die for this accident wey take happen for we road for Douala and Loum side. So for inside tori for this afternoon, we take una go for that side, so for Dakar, where 40 robo them and gendarme them they be there as well. They so this man where they call and say Chakunte, e dey, so e be there for a place, a small store where they manage life. Tori wey enter for we ear na say this man a papa e be don sell some side for the land. Then another side be there with the man e be she don for inside there they make e own business. Woman wey dey for back e talk now say dey, so the man e don enter for inside land. One time e carry case e go for court. Case e never even judge for court side. Woman e pass for back according to thing wey we take here. E go find na robo people them and gendarme them where they can chakara the man e own small place where they find his small money, carry all his money or carry even the money go with them, throw away all his mimbo them, small thing that the seller na the oga chakunte that where e dey, so they can chakara his store. So for that side, so for Subum na Dakar side where we take talk as so Dakar e dey na for number 3, the day for Douala 3 na some place for inside Douala 3. So now the thing that we take siam as so the take talk 40 robo them and gendarme them they be there as so they can chakara the man a store where he manage a life, so for inside there for that side, so for Dakar. So we jump that tori, we enter for different side now. So palava mash wey be take happen for inside Douala here for number 3 day for the week. They talk say make Oga Photo e can pay all money wey e dey owe work people there wey dey work so for that side so for company wey e dey make battery. Na for sika that one dey wey dey work people there dey make battery, the vex, the stand up for roads, they talk say they must to pay their money, say they no fit the work all time, then they no dey pay them money. This all the work people them na one day they dey for place where they dey make battery, as so take talk, they dey talk say make they pay them money where they don't work am, they must to pay them. So they say they stand up for roads for talk say e don too much, they no fit so they should don quiet where they dey work, they no dey pay them money for that side so for inside this country. We left a palava for mash. We talk palava social amenity 2018 we don enter. Ballot wey start for 2017 e don enter for 2018 for that side so for Ebunji. Now for under Tombel subdivision when we show on a podium sabi say light e no dey. They don enter number 2 moonway light e no so dey for that side for inside Ebunji. As well don talk na town, other one they will talk say na village under Tombe. Light podium they don chakara also one they don phone jengum work people then say they use light now so na generator you wey no get generator you no fit do no nothing so for inside Ebunji wey na some small hot town too for under Tombe subdivision. They is also beg company people them wey they make lights they look at light make they try for can give them light. People that dey sleep for workplace for sika say light e no take day. Number 2 moon wey people them for Ebunji they dey cry say make they bring the light inside this palava. So we say so we join our mob for talk for people the way they look at light make they do work wey they get for do. Chop e dey spoil for inside people then that co-house. Now so too people then say they no fit enjoy life as well other people them they enjoy life just now. We take una go for that side so for Idinau for talk palava waka wey mayor for Idinau side they call it say Tunde Gabriel. E take make am for Idinau e be then a time for mayor for try for tonton for all the small village wey they dey under e for try for ask them wetin e dey wey dey so they want way e dey feel say if he help say make village and make Idinau general e go na only for before. So na for sika why that way mayor they call it say Tunde Gabriel e take tonton so meet up people there for different village for inside Idinau for talk with them and for sabi wetin they want and wetin wey they want and say if it happen so that Idinau if e go na for before. We dey only hope and pray as say no be na palava for 2018 vote for mayor dem na e don start work so underground campaign e don start. So mayor don dey turn for meet all the people dem for say wetin we fit do for say make development come. Na only 2018 you sabi that one. Make we hear wetin wey mayor take talk.
The contributions when I don't give am and some idea them and some worries when I get them and I equally thank una for the appreciation wey I do am for Tome and my team. I want to thank una so very much because if you don't get man for heart, even if you do good thing, you don't ever appreciate them. But with the seed man, they do always appreciate man because you get that man for heart. So I want to thank una so very much. Go apply for say I want 100 street lights for the whole municipality. That's say for any village you go get street lights for all the villages and CDC camps. So in case what one could be go solve plenty.
Yes, it already start talk 100 street lights all road them inside village lights e go stand up. Make we take una go for Cambe side dey country people dem for Cambe e be dey na coordination meeting wey be take pass na small donga men wey governor for that side so for Norwest Oga Adoblele Lafrique e bring all SDO dem all mayor dem even the divisional officer dem for Kanshidon for inside this arraignment. Palava for Norwest and Southwest e be enter for inside the donga men wey dey so Oga governor e be take happen am for that side so from Cambe even Palava too for vote for 2018, Oga Governor take talk and all the other small hard time way e dey so they get am for that side for Cambe. Na Oga Governor e take talk am as wey this a small meeting e take pass for that side so from Cambe. But sabi say all them they dey talk na palava say make peace e last turn back for inside country. We take una go for Penja side. For Penja side, na palava marriage for people them. Plenty they become, they be them 16 way it is home. Council people them for that side. So for Penja, they take the test home, join them for marriage. According to Toriwe enter for we EM, inside these 16 people the way they be take marriage, we be get 4 people them where they talk say they go marry na one person. Then inside the other one them, they talk say they fit take another woman for back. Now me say they go marry na 2 women. Mayor Sese will be the do the work at Tahat Jean-Pierre, the only SDF council for that side. So for Mongom, he come all money na inside pocket for do am for sika say they no be plan the one for inside council money for 2018. After e be give them all married people them 15,000 say make they go take enjoy married life for inside quarter. Make we hear one of the people them where they join them for marriage. Make it tell we as we the glad as we fee after we they join them for marriage official.
Gazeti marry we don't make and play with it over glad. Me agreeing to call all man say they try to for mega we don't make and say all man to try marry like we. Me go jog we long time we will stay plenty for this time so. I tell my woman say me na if he try this time say me my woman down we just be one foot one hand. Till my woman they make when me na just been so for go before I life say God keep me so me and my woman can reach today from the anytime the time we will be alive. Me God keep me. Bless me plenty for this content so le medo organize marriage.
Alright, now the 2 people then that way they join them for marriage official country people them make we should don't quiet. Yes, na fine thing for marriage. We take una go for Bakingili where a fasa moto e don start a comot fire for a eye for Bakingili side him. Bakingili got them, they don't vex. Na for sika waiting, they say chief for Bakingili e no dey for inside the palace. Who side Chief Ephraim Enoni idem since where they catch Chief Ephraim Enoni when a chief for that side so for Bakingili. People them for Bakingili and even got them for Bakingili they added the red. Now chief house that for Bakingili side, but chief house he don't despoil the go. Flag safe he don't despoil the go. So people them for that side so for Bakingili they be back and they also talk. Say may they try for left their chief where they see keep them from Gata for that side so for Yawende. They try for Terry as we palava for water time where chief be there. Chief if he nagnaki head they get water. Palava for work safe. Chief if he nagnaki head so they work if he happen and they beg to say make that factory where they don't come put foundation stone to for that side make it last start so that people themselves for Bakingili they fit get place where they fit take work. So just now God for Bakingili or a Fasamoto e don the common na red eye they say they the vex. Chief a house e dey empty. So tell now I say chief a house e dey empty for that side so for Bakingili. Now so we go talk palava from Damba. Una sabi say Confederation for African Damba people they enter country today. Reunification stadium for Douala here na one of the feed and now they go can look but no nothing. It never even start for that side so for reunification stadium as so the taxi which we own Koro item place it just so they dirty. Even road set for enter for day na so plenty gongo to them. They don't pack and for road day you know if you enter road set for enter for that side so for a reunification stadium na different level for sika say na only Guata hold them hold them, water e full up for all sides. So people dem for that side, they dey try for ask question whether they go last work for this fee or they no go work. Na road that way dey enter for reunification stadium, no nothing, e never start happen. So for this so country people dem as we say we take see am, na only gongoro dem dey take park for them. We comot for there, we land for that side for government primary school for Bonamusa decide them. For that side work too e never so start. Na only this guata e dey show say they don't even can start for do some small work for that side. So for Bonamusa the primary school field sabi say na small training e get for pass for them. Na training field e get for be so for that side. So for Bonamusa the primary school field, we don turn back for reunification stadium for talk say the place is also dey dirty. E need to show self say work e go start for day anytime, even as wetin dey happen. Na the other field this way they get for make training field for them. For that side from Bapele Petu, even as wey they don cover the whole place, they inside the field, no work e never dey show. So we dey ask na big question, wetin the people that can look am, wetin they can see am, all the work then so they go finish am for 2019. Now the big question that we try for ask, but sabi say we like Cameroon, we want to say medan dambam e dey for inside country. Japoma side too, work e don dey start again back after we work people them they be create small. So now the condition then that we will meet up feed them where they get for work for inside there for inside Douala here. Sabi say prisoner people dem for that side. So for Boya, since inside last weekend they don dey enjoy the handball and football competition wey na CY International take make am for them, say make them no forget. Make we hear wetin wey CY International e take talk for Palava the cup wey e give am for this prisoner people dem for that side. So for Boya,
they don't always deceive me all the time. I don't plan to do this. And the thing will cost me, now Jesus. Now scripture, Matthew chapter 25 verse 36. So now it cost me to do this. Nothing in particular. Yeah, that's just it. Okay, my message for inside inmates then, the prisoners the way they there. Now say, me would not know say, no man go outside no personal. No man no personal. I'm not surprised for see some one day say, man when you think say, he pass you for outside, he did the job, the same job with you for prison. So man make no man no hurry. When you come for inside prison, rest. No matter how thing will bring you, you go come out. There's people that over fear to come for prison. Prison will be some place for fear. Now Jesus talk out. If you fear prison, go. If you fear prison, go for Bible. Read Matthew chapter 25 verse 36. You go see say even Jesus, he talks about being for prison. They ask you say, how you manage go for prison? Jesus say anything when you do for prison, I don't do it for your name. So I believe say as you do one.
we go finish story with this story we just enter for we hand for that side. So for Limbe, as we talk and for strong number for this afternoon, we talk as we come and buru them way they work for Watam, they don't cash people then way they be one take na back door for enter we country. We try for see whether we fit show na that image for that people then way they so they take cash them for inside this palava way they don't the enter for we country. According to Tori we enter for we here na people the way they come up for Burkina Faso, someone them they come on for that side. So for Benin we they so they take cash them. We Sacred Eye it see small image, so take same could talk, same could try for shame with honor for this afternoon. If we get that image for that people them we it they so we the talk this palava country people them make we try for see that image for that people the way they so they struggle for enter we country for back door where they no fit for enter for back door, they don't catch them. Yes, now for that side. So for Bota, I don't talk say now we Sacred Eye we take CD1 where they don't bring them for Bota port. Now for the way they don't catch all them bring and they did them plenty where they catch them where they be worker for inside water where it is so now back door now then that where you see and say we come and brew them for waiting, come and brew for water, they take cash them. And so you see now we Sacred Eye we take cash them for Sika say they so now people the way they no get book, they no get no nothing. So I saw the talk for him for that side. So for Bota, big question it dey take pass for that people them now they picking them that woman, boy, man, all them the day inside. Now one way they dey take back door for enter for we country. So I saw the talk now. So we army for water, they don't do correct work. all them according to tori wey enter for we EM na people dem wey dey so dey comot for that side, so for Benin, so one dey wey dey comot na for Burkina Faso. Wetin dey be the can do for inside we country and how they take pass na the big question that, and na the question then that way they ask them for that side, so for voter support as well they take talk. This one na sacred eye they will take see am, make una know as ambassador as we take land for them, but na then that wey they catch them, wey they be the worker on top our water. So now so Kamambulu for water, they try for question them, so for that side for ask them as well they take enter. So now we sacred eye will take see am, make una know the wonder over. Yes, so now so it take pass for that side, so for voter as well they don't catch plenty Beninois people them and Burkina Faso people them na backdoor they want take enter for inside we country. Now so we take see country this afternoon, country people them make we enter for tori wey newspaper themselves they take talk this afternoon. First one we will go enter for inside na the post weekend away day for outside as well the talk say waiting e talk how we they stop for see as way people the way they catch them for Ambazonia, they bring them for inside Cameroon. Now person they talk that talk, Secretary General, now they try for talk that talk with Secretary General. Now for you for enter for inside the post weekend for Sabi way to take pass for inside this arrangement. So for inside this palaver for the post weekend they talk chapter for as well they catch this big man for Ambazonia, and they try for talk as well they so plenty power e dey for fire, e dey for on top people them for leave that people them free. Now so another tori to enter for inside now the info way they try for tell we say chief them for Limbem, they don't write big letters, send them for Popo for Sika Palava Oyam. So for inside the info way they for outside they ask and say after we they catch president for Ambazonia, waiting e dey now for before big question where they ask am Pobiam and Dongo their own film too where they be take act and for inside national as inside Unity Palace. These people then for the info they also talk other tori they dey too. If you enter for the info where they for outside now for you for read you go sabi in the proper we take una now so enter for the guardian post where they for outside today. The guardian post e dey try for tell we as we barrister Bob Gar na he don't be like half-time president for Ambazonia after we they catch the correct people them, after we they catch Sisseku, Ayok Tabe and some other people them. So for inside the guidance post they tell we as we court it don't left some mayor where they be cash free for Sika say waiting they talk say he began hand time where they be a thief Amadu Ali a woman. So for the guidance post they tell we as we this home they ask big question whether the Ambazonia people there they catch them they feel bring them back for Cameroon. Then country traditional doctor man a native doctor as well take him he make odeshi for man skin it one taste the odeshi no work. Now he mean say wetin he keep person wey be the work makes him for his skin say bullet he no go enter for his skin. Now for enter for the guidance post you go sabi all that to read them. Nouvelle Expression to a day for outside today he try for tell we some small to read them. Nouvelle Expression he tell we palava people the way they thief land, palava people the way this home they force them come off for land. They say plenty people them head them they don't fall for down for Sika waiting compensate. So for inside Nouvelle Expression you go read other small strong number them where e dey so e get a tori for inside we country today. We enter for inside mutation when at the last tori newspaper we look inside waiting mutation for today take talk for we country people them. Mutation e dey try for tell we say waiting Okada people them for be identified. Big question where they ask them they talk say that one na thing wey e no fit ever happen for Sika say that one na for give headache for people them for inside this palava. They say Okada people them they must to identify their skin, so they talk say that one na big work away they no sure whether it go happen. Now Okada people them for inside Douala here other tori they dem now for you for enter for inside for look inside all that one day. So country people them now so we take see country for this halftime for this also for Equinox Story House. Sabi say tori go continue make no money no shake. 4 o'clock Balingua go come, 6 o'clock Queen Elizabeth own it go happen, 8 o'clock Emmanuel Macron country talk it go happen. Make una hold am tight.